Okay.
And there you go.
Okay, are you ready? Let's see here.
Yep.
Thing around for you.
Um.
Does it look backwards?
Nope.
Where is it? Fire back.
Or can you read the words? Can the words paper pumpkin look like paper pumpkin?
Uh-huh.
Okay. All right. I'm
It's
gonna
just
turn that.
tilted sideways right now.
Huh?
It's tilted sideways because you tilted it sideways.
Oh, but I just didn't know if you could read it or not as paper
Oh
pumpkin.
yeah, I can.
Okay. All right. So are you ready for this? Because we got you live. So, whoop, whoop. All right, here you go. Let's see what's in this box. Ooh. Well, we get a new color, gray granite. I don't think we've ever gotten that one before.
Nope.
Nice gray color there. And oh, look at the stamps. Oh yeah, looky there. We got the X and O's too.
Yeah.
We got a heart with an arrow through it. It says love you, for you. It's got friend and hearts and little, oh, these are tiny little hearts. You can't see, it looks like specks. It's actually miniature little hearts. Ooh, so you can stamp little hearts all over the place. Wow. And it says something love. So sending you love. Oh, sending you more love. Whoop, whoop, whoop. All right. Well, that's pretty exciting. I like the little miniature hearts here. Oh, yeah. That's a good thing to stamp all over an envelope, too, right? All right. So, and then we get our normal stuff. So I actually got you some. We have some of these. I didn't. Oh, I lost you there. We have some of these. I got this. If you want to give some to your friends, I got some of these. This is something you had to get extra besides the paper pumpkin kit, but it coordinates with it. So, wasn't sure if you wanted to give some to your friends or not. But I do have enough with some little miniature slimes to go with it. Oh yeah, got the miniature slimes. And this is showing what's coming up next month, and it's gonna be safari. But are you ready for the inside? Let's see what that paper looks like. Oh yeah. Oh, well, I'm gonna push this box aside for you. Let's see here. Oh, we got, oh, so you got your instructions here. Looky here. Oh, so this is what it's supposed to look like if we make it like they did it, right? But let's see what's on the inside here. Let me get some scissors here. Actually, I don't see my handy dandy scissors.
Right
Those aren't my black ones. I don't know where my black ones are. They got a sharp point to them. All right, let's see what's in here. So we definitely we have some bling. We always know we get some bling, string, or something, right? So this here is some kind of white sequin type B sequins that we'll be able to put on there. We also have our dimensionals. Oh, look at the color of these envelopes, Zoe.
Ooh, those are so pretty.
Oh, look at that. That is gold foil.
Just
You think I'm going to dissect this envelope and do something with the inside of that paper? Oh, yeah. It's got my name all over it. Yeah. Whew. That is pretty. Oh, wow. Look at this. Oh, it's a triple.
I love it already.
So do you think we'll dissect this and make an alternative out of it? Yeah. Yeah, look at, but it's nice, and look at, it's got that gold foil on it also. Can you see it reflecting? Yeah. Oh, there's that reflection. Yeah. Ooh, shiny stuff. So let's see. We got those. Oh, and then look at this one. Pink. Whoa. Oh yeah. Let's see if we have any other ones. Okay, so we have 2 designed cards. All right, and then we have, here's some of our accessories here. Oh yeah. Oh wow. Let's see what else.
So
okay, and then we have these white hearts. And they have gold foil on them also. That's really nice. I like that. Oh, looky here. And we also have it's got, oh, these are vellum. It's yeah. So when you put this on, let's see here. It's really nice. See, you can put it over something like this.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So we'll have to see what we're going to be creating with this on Sunday, because I don't know. And last but not least, we got some little, it's like, they're not stickers, but it's going to be something that we embellish with. But look at that. That's got that gold foil on it too. That's very, very pretty. And we got our regular adhesives, glue dots that you and Sophia are masters of. Woo woo. So that is that. And here comes our instructions. So it actually has us making. So it has us making 3 different designs. So we'll just have to read the instructions when we do it on Sunday Live. Oh, there's where they're using that sticker right there. I can't tell right offhand where the vellum.
Oh,
Looks like I might have some vellum here. Yeah, isn't that cute? So we will see about making this on Sunday. And you at 4 o'clock, right? Sharp. Yeah. Whoop. And you're going to see if any of your friends might come and join us, right?
Yeah.
All right. So with that, let's see here. How did Aunt Jennifer get us? Aunt Jennifer's going to straighten me out. There I am. Know you love me and I love you too. All right. So that is it for us opening the box. How about that? I will see you Sunday. How about that? Yep. Yep. All right. But you can always call me anytime. Right?
Okay.
All right. Good night.
Yeah.
Bye.
Good night. Bye.
Bye.
Love you guys.
Love you too.
Love
Bye.
you.
Bye.